Welcome to English Grammar Adventure.
What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells a complete idea. It always begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark like, or. Types of sentences. There are four main types of sentences in English. 1. Declarative sentence, tells something. 2. Interrogative sentence, asks a question. 3. Imperative sentence, gives a command or request. 4. Exclamatory sentence, shows strong feeling or excitement. One. Declarative sentence. Tells something or gives information. Ends with a period. Example: I like ice cream. The dog is sleeping. Think. Just telling you something. 2. Interrogative sentence. Question mark asks a question. Ends with a question mark. Example: 1. What is your name? 2. Do you like pizza? Right finger think. I'm asking.
4. Exclamatory sentence. Shows strong feeling or excitement. Ends with an exclamation mark. Example: I'm so happy. Wow, that's amazing. Think. So excited. 4. Imperative sentence. Gives a command or instruction. Ends with a period or exclamation mark. Example: 1. Sit down. 2. Please pass the pencil. Stop talking. Think. Do this. Here are 10 sentences showing all four types in a fun and easy way for kids. Declarative sentences, telling. 1. The sun is shining. 2. I have a pet cat. 3. We are going to the park. Interrogative sentences, asking. 1. What is your favorite color? 2. Do you want to play with me? Imperative sentences, command. 1. Close the door, please. 2. Don't touch that. 3. Wash your hands. Exclamatory sentences, excited. 1. That cake is so yummy. 2. Wow, you did a great job. Thanks for watching.